Rocket with it on the brown. When I get like this, I can't be around you.
What's up? My name is Kiara. I'm coming today to show you how I do my everyday makeup routine. I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do wear makeup, this is what I do. You know, it's just really simple and quick. That's for sure. But, ooh, baby child. But if you want to know how I got this look, just keep watching. Okay, so now I'm just getting my cocoa butter lip gloss and moisturizing my lips. And then I'm going to take my Nivea soft cream and just moisturize my face. I'm kind of overusing primers right now. Sometimes I use them, sometimes I don't. Now I'm just taking my e.l.f. gel liner to fill in my eyebrows. Now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro concealer and just carve out my eyebrows so we can get them sharp and looking bleaky. Do people even still say that word? But anyways, yes, I'm just going to do that. And right here, I realized that my sponge was not clean, my beauty blender. So I did not want to get up to go wash it, but there we are. So now I'm just blending that concealer out. And now I'm taking my Fit Me loose setting powder just to set my eyelids so they can be real smooth. And now I'm taking my Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I'm just taking that orange shade. And I didn't want much color at all for an everyday look. I just wanted like a little wash of color, not much at all. So I'm just gonna blend that out and put that all over my lid. Now I'm just gonna put my lashes on for everyday look. Most people wouldn't wear lashes, but look, lashes are bomb. So, and these are bomb, and they're my favorite. I actually got them from my beauty supply store. And now I'm just gonna apply my foundation. This foundation that I'm using, it is kind of, well, not kind of, it's not full coverage at all, but I'm not really into full coverage foundation, so that's why I love this one. And now I'm going to take my concealer so I can just highlight my face. And I use a lighter one first, and then I go in with a, like, what would be my regular highlight shade. And it just looks flawless on my skin, so that's why I do that. And I have really bad lines under my eyes, but I mean, it doesn't really bother me, so. But I'm just gonna blend that out. And now I'm going to just set all those highlighted areas, and I'm just going to press it into the skin. And right here, I just kind of like do the little blowfish thing and set my smile lines so they won't crease up so bad. And I just press that into my skin as well. And then I'll just dust that excess powder off. So then I'm just going on my lower lash line and adding a little color. to it and just blending that out. I cannot talk. And for my contour colors, I like to use eyeshadows, and I like them to be like a deeper purple, like a maroon color. I don't know, I just found that it really looks pretty on my skin tone. I'm just gonna blend that in and do my little contouring. Nothing, I'm doing my makeup, making a video. How was your nap?
Good.
And that was my son. He had just woke up from his nap. But now I'm just going to take some water. I put water in this spray bottle, and I'm just going to spray my face with that. And I'm going to add a little mascara to my bottom lashes. I feel like I cannot go without mascara on my bottom lashes. And look at my son. He had to come back in. Like, every day he gives me and his dad, like, these random hugs throughout the day. It's just so sweet. But now I'm taking this highlighter. This is the Fenty Beauty highlighter. And I think no, it's not Fenty Glow. That's the lip gloss. I'm not for sure. I put it in the description box. I list all the products in the description box below. And I'm just going to highlight my face because I do love that glow. And then right here, I'm just blending out that highlighter so it won't look too patchy and chalky looking. And now I'm going to just set my face. And every time I spray my face, it just like gives me the chills. So that's what my little praise dance was about. And now I'm going to just line my lips with this brown liner. I'm just going to go ahead and add some gloss, and it's just some regular clear gloss. And I'm just going to blend that out. So and that gloss smells so good. Smells so good. So now I just want to add a little color to my lips. So I'm going to go in with this NYX liquid lipstick and just put it in the center of my lips just to add a little color. And then I'm going to go on top of that with some Fenty gloss. And I just feel like you can never set your face too much. So now I'm just spraying my face again with, it's just some water. And that's pretty much it. This is the finished look. And thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you in my next video.